Hi everyone. And welcome back to our channel. Around us grow a lot of plants that we consider as weeds and which we ignore or remove from our garden, but some of them have a lot of nutritional and health benefits. One of these plants is spiny spinach or Amaranthus spinosus, known as spiny amaranth or spiny pigweed. It grows worldwide in gardens, along the streets and virgin lands in tropical and temperate areas. 100 grams of dried leaves contain 276 calories, 30 grams of protein, 4.5 grams of fat and 10 grams of fiber. It also contains 40 milligrams of vitamin A, 2 grams of vitamin B1, 8 milligrams of vitamin B3, 503 grams of vitamin C, 5,000 milligrams of calcium, 460 milligrams of phosphorus, 100 milligrams of iron, 30 milligrams of sodium and over 3,000 milligrams of potassium. Amaranthine, rutinine, spinasterol, hydroquinone and tannin are the active substances found in spiny spinach. Because of these active substances and nutrients, the plant is a valuable food and natural medicine in Africa, Asia, and South America. Due to its phytochemical content, this spiny spinach has antioxidant and painkiller properties, and it's used from a long time ago in traditional medicine for treating abdominal pain and burning sensation. High protein content helps create new cells and tissues in the body. Also, this plant is also used to reduce fever and as expectorant. Its antioxidant, diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties make this herb used to treat inflammation, detox, cleanse toxins and lose weight. Its high protein value helps our body to create new cells and tissue. The plant decoction is used to reduce toothache, being used as mouthwash. Rich in lutein, spiny spinach helps improvise the vision. High content of calcium help to strengthen the bones. Because have a low level of oxalates, spiny spinach can be consumed by people with such as kidney stones or gallstones. The seeds of this spinach are also edible and have a rich nutrition. In some areas they are transformed into flour, and in others they are cooked as such, having a gelatinous texture. Spiny spinach juice being used as an expectorant, a diuretic in urinary problems. The juice is obtaining from a hand of leaves mixed together with a little water. From this juice is consumed 3 tablespoons daily. Leaves and stems can be eaten raw or cooked like spinach, taking care to remove the thorns. To prepare the tea we need 3 tablespoons of spiny spinach root finely cut and 3 glasses of water. Wash the root thoroughly and chopped fine. Boil it with the 3 glasses of water and let it boil until remains only a glasses of liquid. Drink a glass of tea daily. Hoping that you liked the information provided by me, I thank you for your attention. Do not forget to like and share this video, also to subscribe our channel for more information. Our channel is a video channel. Educational information offered come from documentation and personal experience, so before beginning an alternative cure, you must inform your doctor, because he knows your medical history, prescriptions, drugs that you follow and your reactions allergic to various substances or food. I wish you a wonderful time, wherever you are.